Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to fix Windows Update install error with this error code. So let's start. First of all, if this error appears, try to first restart your system and see if it works or not. If it does not work, move on to the methods given in this video which can surely fix your problem. So the first method is delete files from software distribution folder. That means empty your software distribution folder. Software distribution folder is located in C drive and Windows, and here one folder is there named software distribution. Just click and to go inside it, select all the files and delete it, empty all the files from here, and then try again. So this works for most of the cases. Now even if it does not fixes the issue, the next method is to search Windows Update Troubleshooter Microsoft from official Microsoft website. Now here support.microsoft.com has given Windows Update Troubleshooter. Download Update Troubleshooter for Windows 10. Okay, now just download this tool and click on this tool to run this. Okay, select update. Now click on next. So hope your problem get fixed, and if you like the video, please do like the video to support us.